fi give them. The one drop beat man a rhythm. And you give them back with a different stepping. And you give them both, nobody can run them.
Hey Fibs, good morning, good afternoon and good night. I'm just going to go straight in and give you guys the Jamaican expression the first thing this morning, because that's exactly how I'm feeling. Me feel like a hot girl this morning, no babe? Why you laughing? You guys, I am feeling myself today. I really feel like a hot girl this morning. That's what a Jamaican would have said, but it simply means that I'm feeling beautiful. I'm feeling extra pretty today, okay? Your girl is enjoying Slay Day. Slay Day is the weekends for me. On the weekends, your girl go all out and she makes sure the makeup is on, cute, the outfit is well put together, and things like that, because they don't do those things in the week. So on the weekend, it's my day, honey, okay? Baby's just smiling and laughing at me. So how are you guys doing? How are you guys doing? I'm having big hair don't care today. High puff doing it today, and I'm loving every minute of it with my little face and this big hair. So that's a hair for today. And just about now, it's Saturday. It's a happy Saturday. We are I hope it's not too windy. Happy Saturday, you guys. We are heading to the supermarket first thing first. We didn't go supermarket last night, so we're going to supermarket today. So we are going fruits and veggies supermarket, and then we're going grocery supermarket after. Tyler is in the back chilling, sucking on his pussy as usual with his cute self. Baby's driving. So yeah, it's about to be a wonderful weekend as per usual. It's bright and sunny outside. It's a beautiful day. Sky is blue and it is hot, you guys. It is so hot. It's not even funny.
About 85 Fahrenheit and 29
degrees Celsius. It's very hot
for the morning.
And it's just morning. It's just around 10:30. So that just goes to just show how hot it is right now, and it is only June. So can you imagine July and August? I'm gonna be walking naked around here. No, you don't talk naked.
Well, your choice.
My choice. You enjoy seeing me walking around naked? You don't sound too excited. Well, I guess that won't happen. I guess walking naked won't be the case. Babe doesn't seem too excited about it, so alright you guys, so I'm going to stop chit-chatting, and hopefully you guys enjoy your day. Catch up on Jamaican expression, and babe will give it to you guys later. You guys, we got back home. We went to the supermarket and we got back home and had lunch. I feel so puffy, I guess because of the salad. I don't know why I eat it, but oh well. I need to find something else to put in the space of lettuce, because I realized, I don't know if it's because I'm eating too much, but I realized that of late I start to feel nauseous and puffy whenever I eat it. So I need to find something to fix that. My handsome man is here in his heart. And you guys know when he's in his heart, I'm just going to be all up on him all day. Yeah, no, I'm crazy. My two man is in heart. Hey, my cool man is over there and my hot man is right here. We are actually heading out again. We parked the car and we're waiting on the bus. We have a surprise for you guys, but I guess by the title of this video you guys will know exactly what the surprise is. So we're on our way, so let's see what's gonna happen, you guys. My baby should be getting his first haircut right now, right this minute, today. Okay, today. So I know he's gonna bawl and he's gonna wail, and my heart is pounding and I'm nervous about it. Babe is excited because babe been wanting him to trim since forever, and I'm the one that's been holding it off. But I think it's time. I think I conditioned my mind for it. So yeah. The Jamaican expression for today was pretty gal.
Pretty girl.
Yes. I me feel like a pretty girl today.
Okay. Pretty girl.
You're not pretty?
Yeah, you're pretty girl. You're hot girl.
Hey! What's the French word for today?
I'm bon up.
That's Jamaican expression.
No, I make it French. Me bon up. So the French expression will be il fait chaud. Chaud mean hot. It can be anything. It can be food. It can be sun. It can be anything hot. And when you say il fait chaud, mean
it is hot.
It is hot, not for the food or just for the weather. Il fait chaud. Because if it's something else, you don't say il fait. Okay? Say it.
Il fait chaud.
Right.
I'll catch you guys when we reach the barber shop to see how this is gonna go down. My mother is gonna kill me, literally kill me. My sister is gonna be so mad, but it has to be done, guys. I'm sorry, but it just has to be done. Okay.
It's the cut is here. It's hot and it starts out bombs and it feels hot. It's sweating all
He hates
around.
to brush it. He cries, not like I'm gonna kill him, like I'm killing him and all that. So it's about time.
Vous êtes tous...
I don't know how this is gonna be done.
It's not gonna happen.
Je commence?
Ouais. Want me to take your phone?
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay. guys, who is this? Oh my god, look at you. So that's my baby's new look. Hey, who is that? Who is that? That's you? That's you? But it's that's you? Alright, let's go. Ready? Ready to go? Calling my mom.
Hey! Oh my god! Jesus! Get back here! Silent, get back here! That's Silent! Oh my god! You look so Tyler!
Tyler! Who is that? I'm calling my sister. Sit up here.
Trim your hair. You know what to do? Trim your head. He will look like yourself no more.
You guys, we have been back home and basically just chilling and chit-chatting with family as per usual, what I do on the weekend. I'm actually though in the kitchen making some things, some dinner for us to eat. Tyler is actually off to bed because he's really tired. I'm here making some dinner, but tonight we're going pretty light. We're having fried green pressed plantain, some rotisserie chicken to go with that, some leftover rotisserie that we have from lunch. So that is what dinner is gonna be tonight. Comment down below and tell me what you guys are having for dinner tonight, and hope it's as yummy as what we're gonna have.
What's up? What's up? Wagwan?
You guys, I have my bed hairstyle, so you guys know it's sleep time. Why are you doing that to my face?
It's already flat.
You guys, I'm just making sure I come on to end the vlog before I go to bed. As you guys can see, my eyes are red. I'm falling asleep. I don't know what time it is.
Midnight.
But I'm tired. Really?
Yeah.
Alright, you guys, so Tyler is off to bed. We had a really good day. Today was special. Today was historical. It's down in history. Tyler got his haircut. Today was a really good moment to see him get his first haircut.
It was harder than expected. We had planned to go different places, but when we saw how it turned out and hair all over the place on him, babe, and we just decided to go back home and say, okay,
the day was done. We didn't get to go anywhere else.
The thing that we wanted to do, the main thing, is to cut his hair.
And that's done.
Yeah, because he's starting, you know, when he's
he got rash on his neck. It was time, and everybody will have their own opinion as to you shouldn't cut it, or you should have cut it, or you don't look good this way, or you don't look that good that way. Well, the choice is ours, and we cut it. It's our child, and we think it was time, and it's done. So I appreciate you guys for watching. We love every single one of you guys. Thank you guys for all the support, for all the love. Catch up and keep up. Give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. Subscribe if you're new. Catch up with the Jamaican and the French expression for today. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.